Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to explore two powerful tools for entrepreneurs. First one is six thinking hats, a creative decision making methods. Second one, the concept of innovation, the heart of entrepreneurship. Why creative thinking matters in entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs constantly face problems, decisions, and new opportunities. Success doesn't always comes from having all the answers. It comes from how you think. And more importantly, how creatively and objectively you think. That's where the six thinking hats and innovation comes in. What is the six thinking hats method? The six hats is a method developed by Edward D. Beno. It's a tool for group discussion and individual thinking. It helps you look at the problem from different angles instead of getting stuck in one way of thinking. Each hat represents a different perspective or mode of thinking. It's like stepping into six different method roles, one at a, one at a time, to make better decisions. Here we will discuss about the six thinking hats. First one, white hat. It means facts and information. Red hat, feelings and emotions. Black hat, caution and risks. Yellow hat, optimism and benefits. Green hat, creativity and ideas. Blue hat, control and process. In white fact, the facts. When you wear the white hat, you focus on the data, facts, and information. Ask questions like what do we know? What do we need to find out? What evidence support this? You leave opinions and emotions aside. It's about being neutral and analytical. Red hat. Emotions and institution. The red hat represent feelings, gut instincts, and emotional reactions. It asks, how do I feel about this idea? What's my intuition telling me? In this mode, there is no need to justify your feelings. It's all about expressing emotions honestly. In Black Hat, the risk. In Black Hat is critical thinking. It's about being careful, cautious, and identifying potential problems. Ask, what could go wrong? What are the weaknesses? What risk do we face? This hat help you avoid mistakes, but too much of it can block innovation, so balance is key. In yellow hat, the positives. The yellow hat looks for the bright side. Ask, what are the benefits? What is the value in this idea? Why might it work? This optimistic view helps balance the black hat and encourages motivation and forward momentum. In green hat, it means creativity. This is where the magic happens. The green hat is for creativity, brainstorming, and thinking outside the box. Ask, what are some alternative ideas? How can we do this differently? What if we try something new? This hat fuels innovation. We will come back to this in the second half of our session. In Blue Hat, process and organization. The Blue Hat manages the process. Think of it as the meeting facilitator or project manager. It decides what's the next step, which hat do we wear now, are we staying on track. It ensures we are moving forward in a structured way using all perceptives. Why use the six hats? So, why use this method? It encourages balanced thinking, it avoids groupthink, it helps you explore all sides of a problem, it promotes creativity and without choice. Transition. Let's talk about innovation. Now, let's move into the second part of our session innovation. It means if entrepreneurship is the journey, innovation is the fuel. Innovation is the process of turning new ideas into value for your customer and your business. It could be a new product, a better service, a smarter process, a fresh business model. It is not always about invention. Innovation means creating something useful, desirable, and viable, often by improving what already exists. Types of innovation. There are several types of innovation. Product innovation. For example, a new app feature for eco friendly packaging. Process innovation. A faster way to deliver orders. Business model innovation. Switching from selling to a subscription. Marketing innovation. Going viral with storytelling. Social innovation. Solving community problems in sustainable ways. Entrepreneurs innovate by solving real problem in new or better ways. Innovation is big ideas only. You don't need a genius idea to innovate. Often innovation is listening to users, spotting small inefficiencies, trying something different, taking a risk others haven't taken. It's more about curiosity, empathy, and experimentation than it is about brilliance. In summary, we will discuss about the six thinking hats is a powerful thinking tool that help term and individual approach problems from multiple perspectives. It balances logic, emotion, risk, creativity, and structure. Innovation is the engine of entrepreneurship, turning ideas into value. You don't need to invent something new, you just need to improve something in a meaningful way. Together, these tools help you think better and build smarter business. Great entrepreneurs aren't just idea people, they are great thinkers. They are willing to look at problems from all angles, listen deeply, and try new things. Use the six hats to organize your thinking. Embrace innovation to stand out and stay relevant. The future belongs to those who think differently.